Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're on a quest for optimal kidney health, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're delving into the world of natural remedies with a focus on the 7 best drinks to support your kidney health. Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out toxins and maintaining balance in your body, so it's essential to give them the care they deserve. From refreshing herbal teas to hydrating fruit-infused waters, we've got a lineup of delicious and kidney-friendly beverages that not only taste great but also contribute to your overall well-being. Stick around to discover these fantastic natural drinks that can be a game changer for your kidney health. Let's jump into the world of kidney-nourishing drinks together. Your kidneys will thank you. Starting with number 1, water. Water is indispensable for maintaining optimal kidney health, playing a crucial role in the body's natural detoxification processes. Its significance lies in its ability to efficiently flush out toxins and waste products from the system, particularly benefiting the kidneys. The kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering and eliminating waste from the bloodstream, and proper hydration ensures this process operates smoothly. For children in particular, it is imperative to encourage a consistent intake of an adequate amount of water throughout the day. This not only supports overall well-being, but also contributes to the proper functioning of the kidneys. By instilling the habit of staying hydrated from an early age, we promote a foundation for lifelong health and well-being. Let's move on to number 2. Cranberry juice, specifically in its unsweetened form, has gained recognition for its potential in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. The active compounds in cranberries are believed to hinder the adherence of bacteria to the walls of the urinary tract, thereby reducing the likelihood of infection. The prevention mechanism involves preventing bacteria, particularly Escherichia coli, E. coli, from attaching to the urinary tract walls, which is a common precursor to UTIs. Incorporating unsweetened cranberry juice into one's diet as part of a broader approach to urinary health can be a sensible choice for those prone to UTIs or looking to support their urinary system's well-being. Number 3 on our list is lemonade. Crafted from real lemons, can serve as a beneficial source of citrate, a compound known for its potential to prevent the formation of kidney stones. Citrate works by binding to calcium in the urine, inhibiting the aggregation of crystals that can lead to the development of kidney stones. The natural citric acid found in lemons contributes to the increased citrate levels in the urine, creating an environment that is less conducive to the formation of certain types of kidney stones. It's important to note that the preventive effects are associated with the citric acid content in real lemons, and thus opting for homemade or naturally prepared lemonade is recommended. This refreshing beverage not only provides hydration, but also offers a proactive approach to kidney stone prevention, making it a flavorful and health-conscious choice for those aiming to support their renal health. Bringing us to number 4, herbal teas. Particularly varieties like dandelion tea or nettle tea are thought to possess diuretic properties that can aid in the elimination of excess fluids and waste products from the body. Diuretics encourage increased urine production, helping to reduce water retention and promote detoxification. Dandelion tea, for instance, is believed to have a mild diuretic effect and is often used in traditional medicine for its potential to support kidney function and reduce bloating. Consulting with a healthcare professional before incorporating herbal teas into one's routine is advisable, especially for individuals with pre-existing health conditions or those taking medications. While herbal teas can be a flavorful and natural way to support certain aspects of kidney function, it's important to approach their consumption with awareness and guidance to ensure overall well-being. Number 5, we have beet juice. Beet juice has gained attention for its potential health benefits, particularly in supporting healthy blood pressure. This is attributed to its rich content of antioxidants and nitrates. Nitrates, when consumed, can be converted into nitric oxide in the body, a compound known for its vasodilatory effects, which may contribute to improved blood flow and regulation of blood pressure. While moderate consumption of beet juice can be a part of a healthy diet, it's important to exercise caution. Excessive intake of beet juice can lead to an increase in oxalate levels. As with any dietary addition, individual responses may vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially for those with a history of kidney stones or other medical conditions. Incorporating beet juice into a well-balanced diet can be a flavorful way to support cardiovascular health, provided it's done mindfully and in appropriate quantities. Let's move on to number 6, freshly made vegetable juices, particularly those crafted with ingredients like cucumber, celery, and leafy greens offer a concentrated source of essential nutrients and antioxidants that can contribute to overall health, including kidney function. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that play vital roles in supporting the body's various functions. Cucumbers, for instance, are hydrating and contain compounds with antioxidant properties. Celery is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with nutrients such as folate, iron, and vitamin K. While they offer concentrated nutrients, the fiber content in whole vegetables is also crucial for digestive health. As with any dietary considerations, individual needs may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist can provide personalized guidance on incorporating vegetable juices into a healthy lifestyle. Number 7 on our list is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is renowned for its rich content of antioxidants and potential anti-inflammatory properties, making it a beverage that may offer benefits to kidney health. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which is associated with inflammation and various health issues, including kidney problems. The anti-inflammatory properties attributed to pomegranate juice may contribute to reducing inflammation within the kidneys. Selecting a variety of pomegranate juice with no added sugars is crucial to maximize its health benefits. Added sugars can counteract the positive effects of the natural compounds in the juice and may contribute to other health concerns such as insulin resistance and weight gain. Incorporating pomegranate juice into a well-balanced diet can be a flavorful and nutritious way to support overall health, including kidney function. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the 7 best natural drinks for your kidney health. We hope you found these insights valuable and that incorporating these beverages into your routine brings you closer to optimal kidney function. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Feel free to share your thoughts or any other topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Until next time, take care of your health and stay well.